Thank God for consoling me and releasing my son after 33 years. I didn't expect for my son to be released or to see him. Thank God, Lord of the world. Thank God, Lord of the world. You have all the thanks and gratitude, God.
This is the most beautiful moment in my life's history, that I was able to hug my mother. This is the most beautiful moment of my life. Since the year 1985, she has been going from one prison to another, looking for her children, visiting them for 10 to 15 minutes. And, in some cases, she is turned back from the jail without seeing any of her children, and returns home. Settings are
Create a video using exactly this script. My feeling while sitting next to my mother is like a new birth.
We paid a high price for the prisoners. It was a high price. But I want to celebrate my happiness in my heart and not make my happiness visible out of respect for Gaza, which was gloriful and is now in a catastrophe, and for the martyrs. May God give their parents patience. Settings.
Since October 7th, 2023, war was launched on all Palestinians wherever they are in Gaza, in the West Bank, abroad, in prisons. The prisoners were punished wherever they are. They were assaulted and beaten to death.
Our only concern now is to elevate the suffering of our Palestinian people and the families of martyrs and their pain. This is the first and last concern.